Hello, my name is King Daniel Sif Derico, and today we will be discussing quantum circuit simulation platforms. For today's video, we will be also discussing what is quantum simulation, quantum systems, quantum circuits, and lastly, quantum circuit simulation platforms. So, before we go on to the advanced part, let's first talk about quantum simulation. So, quantum simulation, it involves replicating the dynamics of a quantum system using another quantum system or computational model. So, unlike classical simulations, which struggle with the exponential growth of a quantum states, quantum simulators exploit superposition and entanglement to efficiently represent and manipulate quantum information, making it possible to study systems that are otherwise computationally intractable. So, in quantum simulations, we have types of quantum simulators. So, first of all, we have the analog quantum simulators. So, these are simulators that use physical quantum systems such as trapped ions, ultra-cooled atoms, superconducting circuits, or photonic systems to directly emulate the target quantum system. They are typically faster and more energy efficient but are specialized for specific problems. Then we have the digital quantum simulators. With the name digital, it is built on gate-based quantum computers. These simulators emulate quantum dynamics by executing sequences of quantum gates. They are more flexible and programmable, but require high qubit fidelity and error correction. And speaking of quantum gates, these are the fundamental operations that manipulate qubits in a quantum computer. It enables superposition, entanglement, and reversible computations. So, next that we will be discussing before the quantum circuit simulation platforms are quantum systems. So, what are quantum systems? A quantum system is any physical system whose behavior is governed by the laws of quantum mechanics. It is characterized by discrete energy levels, probabilistic outcomes, and the ability to exist in superposition states. So, we have characteristics of quantum systems. Like earlier discussed, quantum systems operate at microscopic scales such as atoms, subatomic particles like electrons and photons, or small groups of these entities, where classical physics fails to accurately describe behavior. Then we have the energy quantization, which energy exists in discrete packets called quanta. For example, electrons in an atom occupy specific energy levels and cannot exist in between them. Then, another characteristic is wave-particle duality. Particles can behave as both waves and particles, depending on observation, challenging classical distinctions. Next is probabilistic. Like earlier said, the outcomes are not deterministic. Quantum mechanics provides probabilities for where a particle may be found or how it behaves. Next is superposition. This is a quantum system that can exist in multiple states simultaneously until measured, collapsing into a definite state upon observation. Next is entanglement. Quantum systems can exhibit correlations between particles that remain connected regardless of distance, enabling phenomena like quantum encryption and advanced computation. So after understanding what quantum systems are and what are its characteristics, what is its importance? So the importance of quantum systems is it gives quantum communication. They enable fast, low error communication through principles like superposition and entanglement. And then we have quantum computing, which are quantum computers can solve complex problems that classical computers cannot, with applications in cryptography, optimization, and machine learning. Then we also have environmental monitoring, which are quantum technologies are being explored for applications in environmental sensing and monitoring. Then last is military applications. So quantum systems are being developed for secure communication, navigation, and enhanced military capabilities. So next that we are going to be talking about is quantum circuits. So what is quantum circuits? So a quantum circuit is the quantum analog of a classical logic circuit designed to manipulate qubits, the fundamental units of quantum information. So, unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in superpositions of 0 and 1, enabling quantum circuits to perform complex computations in parallel. So, when talking about qubits, so what is qubits? So, qubits is represented as horizontal lines in circuit diagrams, and qubits carry quantum information and can be entangled with each other. So, speaking of classical circuits, let's compare the two. So, classical circuits versus quantum circuits. Number one, basic units of information. Classical circuits operate using bits, which can be either 0 or 1. This binary system forms the foundation of classical computing, where operations are performed sequentially. Quantum circuits utilize qubits, which can exist in a state of 0 1, or both simultaneously due to the principle of superposition. This allows quantum circuits to perform multiple calculations at once, significantly enhancing computational power and efficiency. Number two is the operational principles. Classical circuits rely on predictable behavior governed by classical physics. They use components like transistors, resistors, and capacitors to manage the flow of electricity, performing operations in a deterministic manner. Quantum circuits, on the other hand, function under the rules of quantum mechanics, where phenomena such as entanglement allow qubits to be interconnected in ways that classical bits cannot. This enables instantaneous state changes across entangled qubits, facilitating complex computations and secure communications. So next is number 3, computational capabilities. Classical circuits, while highly reliable and effective for a wide range of tasks, they face limitations in speed and efficiency, as operations must be performed sequentially as components shrink to atomic scales. Classical circuits encounter physical barriers that hinder further miniaturization. Quantum circuits, on the other hand, offer the potential to solve certain problems exponentially faster than classical circuits. For example, quantum computers can tackle complex problems in cryptography, optimization, and drug discovery that would take classical computers an impractical amount of time to solve. So, continuing the comparison of classical and quantum circuits, we have the application and implications of classical and quantum circuits. So, classical circuits continue to power the vast majority of everyday technology, including computers, smartphones, and other electronic devices. They are well suited for tasks that require reliability and predictability. Quantum circuits represent a new frontier in computing, with ongoing research aimed at harnessing their unique properties for practical applications. While still in the experimental stage, quantum circuits hold promise for revolutionizing fields such as cryptography, material science, and artificial intelligence. So, let's go on to the more advanced topic of quantum circuit simulation platforms. So, quantum circuit simulation platforms are essential tools for researchers and developers in the field of quantum computing, and they allow for the emulation of quantum computing operations using classical computing resources in the cloud. So it enables the testing and refinement of quantum algorithms without the need for actual quantum hardware. These platforms provide scalable resources for exploring quantum computing applications and preparing for the future of quantum technologies. So, additionally, I have gathered facts on quantum circuit simulation platforms. First fact we have is the types of simulators. So, quantum circuit simulators can be categorized into exact simulators and approximate simulators, each serving different purposes and with distinct limitations. The second fact is performance metrics. So, the efficiency and scalability are significant performance metrics for simulators, impacting their usability for large scale quantum systems. The third fact is the application areas. So, these simulators are widely used in various sectors, including cryptography, material science, and optimization problems, showcasing their versatility. The fourth fact is challenges. Challenges in simulation include error propagation, computational overhead, scalability limitations, noise, and interpretability. However, advancement in algorithms and methods mitigate these issues. The last fact is future trends. Quantum circuit simulation platforms are expected to continue advancing with improvements in simulation, accuracy, and scalability, paving the way for practical applications in solving real world problems. So, here I have some examples of quantum circuit simulation platforms. So, first of our examples is the IBM Quantum Experience. So, this is a platform that offers access to IBM's quantum computers and a quantum circuit simulator, allowing users to design and simulate quantum circuits. So, next on my example of quantum circuit simulation platforms is the Google Quantum AI. So, this is a platform that provides a full state vector simulation, QSIM, which uses gate fusion, AVX or FMA, vectorized instructions, and multi-threading to achieve state-of-the-art simulations of quantum circuits. So, what is the AVX? So, AVX means Advanced Vector Extensions. These are powerful CPU instructions sets that allow simulations operations on multiple data elements, improving performance for computationally intensive tasks. Then next we have is the Blue Qubit. So this is another platform which is a cloud-based quantum computing software that allows users to design, simulate, and run quantum circuits from their browser, with access to quantum devices directly through their quantum cloud computing software. So, this one uses cloud. So, after understanding what is quantum circuit simulation platforms, and I have also given examples of, so what is the importance of quantum circuit simulation platforms? So, quantum circuit simulation platforms gives research and development. So, they allow researchers to prototype quantum algorithms and study quantum phenomena without the need for actual quantum hardware. This is particularly useful for developing and testing quantum algorithms, improving error correction, and demonstrating quantum advantage. Next is the algorithm testing. So, simulators enable algorithm testing in a controlled environment, which is essential for debugging and ensuring the correctness of quantum algorithms. They also give hardware validation. They help test qubit architectures and error correction strategies before physical implementation, ensuring the reliability of quantum hardware. Next is education and training. Quantum circuit simulators provide a platform for learners to experiment with quantum circuits, even without access to real quantum machines, which is vital for the education and training of the next generation of quantum computing professionals. So, counterpart to the importance of quantum circuit simulation platforms, we also have cons, and it's the current cons of quantum circuit simulation platforms. So, we have five cons of quantum circuit simulation platforms. First is error propagation, which is quantum circuits are sensitive to errors, which can lead to incorrect results. Error correction codes and improved hardware are essential to mitigate these errors. Then we have computational overhead. The complexity of quantum circuits can lead to significant computational overhead, making them impractical for large scale simulations. Next, we have scalability limitations. The scalability of quantum circuits is limited by the number of qubits and the circuit depth, which can hinder the ability to solve complex problems efficiently. Next, we have is noise. Quantum circuits are susceptible to noise, which can affect the accuracy of the simulation results. Then, lastly, we have the interpretability. The complex nature of quantum circuits can make it difficult to interpret the results and ensure their accuracy. So, in conclusion, quantum circuit simulation platforms play a vital role in advancing the field of quantum computing by allowing researchers, developers, and students to design, test, and analyze quantum circuits without relying on physical quantum hardware. Through concepts such as superposition, entanglement, and quantum gates, these platforms make it possible to study complex quantum systems that are difficult for classical computers to handle. Platforms like IBM, Quantum Experience, Google Quantum AI, and BlueQubit provide accessible environments for experimentation, research, and education. Although challenges such as noise, scalability limitations, and computational overhead still exist, continuous improvements in quantum technologies are helping overcome these obstacles. Overall, quantum circuit simulation platforms are essential tools that support innovation, learning, and the future development of powerful quantum computing applications. And this is where we will end the topic of quantum circuit simulation platforms. And I hope you enjoyed listening to the discussion, and goodbye.